So today we will see how to create a drop-down list very quickly and manually. Let's do it. Let's say we want to have, let's say, on a cell, yes or no. So we have different options. In this case, we will do it manually. First, you select the cell where you want to apply this data validation. So you go in the menu, which is called data, you go here in the block, which is called Data Tools, and then you click here. You see Data Validation. Then you will allow something on the settings for the cell. You say Allow a list. Then here, depending on the layout, if it is in English or in French, from time to time, you will have to separate the information, I mean the item, either with a semicolon or with comma. In my case, I am French, all is in French, it will be semicolon. Let's say yes, semicolon, no. That's it. Now we have here this. The fact is now when you create this list within a cell, if you go out, then you don't see where it is. So you could come down, go back, then go in home, and it would be easier if you could identify it with a content with some color in it, let's say in blue. So now you see where is it. Now, what if you want people to know what to do on this cell? So you could add what we call an input message. So this input message is on the same location here, but input message, you say, hey, Tracy, thanks to select either yes or no. That's it. Now here, when you go back here, hey Tracy, thanks to select either yes or no. Thank you for watching.